solo barbecue.
You should treat yourself once in a while.
Yeah, for sure. Good, yourself? Could I do 1 pound of ranchera? Another pound of tasajo? Marinated, please. And then could I also do frijoles puercos? 1 guac? Green, please. Some chicken. Which one should we do first? Alright, I just realized I forgot something. A plate.
No, you're fine. I would love.
When aren't you, Cynthia? I already know you. Yeah. Come down to my apartment after.
You got snacks?